Hey Laura, this is Larry Powell with Top Shelf Growth. I'm sorry for the delay in getting this video out to you. I know Kimberly talked to you on the 18th. I try to get these out much faster, but my kids' daycare has actually been closed the last couple of days due to a COVID outbreak at their school. So work's been kind of a little bit hectic the last couple of days. But I wanted to get this video over to you. So what I'm going to go over in this video is the ways that you can increase the amount of leads or new business you have coming in by utilizing your website. And there's three things I'm going to really focus on in this video, and that is content, backlinks, and citations. And I'm going to go over what each one of those are. We'll look at what your competition is doing, and then we'll look at how you guys can pass them up and steal those customers that are currently going to your competitors and make those customers of your guys' instead. So first off, looking at your guys' website, it's definitely a decent website. You have the basic things in there, right? You have your click to calls. You have a book now right at the top, which is fantastic. This picture is a little grainy, but totally fine. You got your photo gallery here, contact form at the top. This is all fantastic stuff, right? Content-wise, content is one of the biggest things that Google looks at when determining which website is going to be in that top spot, right? Google, if you think of, Wikipedia, for example, okay? Wikipedia, they don't do anything to rank their websites, but they have so much content on any topic you could think of. And content is what helps them rank, right? Google wants to put the most relevant content out there for potential searches when people are making these searches, right? So Painter San Diego. Google wants to put the most relevant content out there for Painter San Diego to answer whatever questions anybody who's searching for that may have, okay? So what I really push for clients to have on their website is between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content on this homepage. And with that, you also want to make sure you're including the search terms you actually want to be found for in that content. So Painter San Diego. Fantastic search term, okay? We can see here, Painter San Diego. It's getting 700 searches per month, right? Being in the top spot for this search term, just this one, you'll get about 33% of that search volume heading towards your website. So you're looking at 200 plus searches per month of people clicking on your website just by ranking for this one search term, okay? Let's say you guys have a 10% conversion rate, right? That's another 20 jobs per month just ranking in the top spot for this one search term. If people are coming to your guys' website and you're actually closing 10% of that 200, and that's even more than 200, but closing 10% of that as new business, okay? So content is huge for you guys, right? The next thing we want to look at is backlinks. So this is a tool I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it kind of allows me to see what's going on at the back end of your guys' website. And what you guys are doing for what's called search engine optimization, or SEO, okay? SEO, there's a lot to it, but to kind of dumb it down into layman's terms, we're really looking at backlinks here, okay? The best way to describe what a backlink is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. So we have the most popular kid in school, we'll call him website A, and you have the least popular kid in school, we'll call him website B. And website A is going to link himself or put a backlink to himself to website B. And what happens when he does that is it brings up the popularity of website B. It makes him more appealing in Google's eyes, and it brings him up in the search results, right? And so what you guys need to be targeting is niche relevant or location relevant backlinks. So for you guys to go out and get a backlink on another painting website, maybe in Oregon, where I'm based out of, that's going to carry a lot more weight in Google's eyes than if you guys were to go out and get a backlink to your local Pizza Hut, because you guys aren't slinging pizzas, right? You guys are painting houses. And so relevancy behind these backlinks is going to be huge for you guys, and that'll carry a lot of weight in Google's eyes also when it determines if you guys are going to move from the search results, okay? So again, 700 searches per month for Painter San Diego. As we're looking at these search results, there's a couple things we're looking at. As everybody's looked at Google, but there's a couple things we look at here to kind of explain. So you have paid ads, right? This is people paying Google to have their business up here at the top. I don't know about you, but me personally, I usually skip over these, right? I usually come right down here. I look at the GMB. I want to get a business that's local to me. There's a couple different factors for how you get your business into this. The number one being citations. Citations are your business name, address, and phone number listed on directory websites like a Yelp page or a Facebook page. Anywhere you can list that information, that counts as a citation. And the goal here is to have more citations than what your competitors have. And we have tools out there that we can go through. We can look and see how many citations Royal Painting has or True Line Painting has. And we can make sure that you guys have more citations in them at the end of the day, because we want to beat our competition out in every way possible, right? Another big factor for how you get your business into this is the organic search results. So we can look organically here which websites are ranking in the top spots. So a Yelp page being in the top spot is actually a great sign, because Google really prefers to rank the small business owner or the small business website over these large national directory sites. Main reason being, people are paying to be on Yelp just like they're paying to be on these Google ads, right? And Google doesn't want to take business away from themselves in their paid ads and have people be using Yelp pages instead. And so Google really prefers, if you're doing everything correctly SEO wise, if you're putting quality content on there, these websites will outrank this 100% of the time, okay? So looking at the top ranked organic website that isn't a directory site like Yelp, we have Wow One Day, okay? So looking at their website, we can see they have a decent amount of content on here, right? They're probably at least 1,000 words, probably closer to 1,500 words of content. Other than that, they don't really have a ton going on, right? It's you know, it's a decent looking website, but it's not over the top. It's nothing that impressive, okay? Looking at the back end of their website, we can see they have 147 backlinks from 15 different websites. We can see that they're getting 432 people per month to their website. So comparing those numbers to what you guys are at currently, we can see that you guys have 3 backlinks from 2 websites, and you're currently getting 0 traffic, organic traffic, right? You guys might be doing paid ads. You might be doing Yelp. You know, there's definitely other options out there for getting traffic to your website. But organically, just based off of the search results, you guys aren't getting anything in there. And so there's a lot of opportunity. I mean, just looking at this, right? This one page, there's a lot of opportunity for you guys to generate a lot of new search traffic to your website, which is going to then equal a lot of new customers to your business, okay? So if you have any questions on this, I would definitely love to talk to you more. You know, if you are interested in taking this information and running with it on your own, fantastic, no harm, no foul. If you're looking for someone to help you out with it, definitely feel free to give me a call. My cell phone number is 541-968-7159. I'm also going to shoot this over to you in an email, so if you prefer just to reach out to me through the email, that's totally fine also. If you have any feedback on this video, love to hear it from you. You know, maybe just a couple sentences or even one sentence of saying, hey, it was great information, just not interested. Totally appreciate that. But I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you later.